Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today we will show you how to score unlimited dice rolls in the game Monopoly Go. Step 1. Update your game. First things first, ensure your Monopoly Go game is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store for Android and search for Monopoly Go. If an update is available, install it. Having the latest version is crucial for this hack to work seamlessly. Step 2. Check your settings. Before we proceed, check your device settings. Go to General and make sure Background App Refresh is turned on. This is essential for the hack to function properly. If you're on iOS, also ensure you're not in low power mode. Keeping these settings intact is vital. Step 3. Get the VIP plugin. Now, let's get the VIP plugin that enables this hack. Open your preferred browser, like Safari or Chrome, and search for VIP plugin. Look for VIP plugins for iOS and Android devices and visit the website. In the site's search bar, type Monopoly and select the Monopoly plugin installer for iOS and Android. Step 4. Install the plugin. Once you're on the Monopoly plugin installer page, follow the prompts to download and install the plugin. The installer will guide you through the process. This plugin is your key to unlimited dice rolls, so make sure to complete this step accurately. If you need more help, Website's chat is available for you. Step 5. Enjoy unlimited dice rolls. You're all set. Launch Monopoly and experience the magic. With the VIP plugin installed, you now have access to unlimited dice rolls. Roll your way to victory and dominate the game like never before. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.